We're waiting on discussions and information from the FBI. Didn't also, though, want to pass over the individual who was killed at the Trump rally, Corey Campitore. And here is Governor Josh Shapiro of Pennsylvania, who told us a little bit about Corey. Let's take a listen.
We lost a fellow Pennsylvanian last night, Corey Campitore. I just spoke to Corey's wife and Corey's two daughters. Corey was a girl dad. Corey was a firefighter. Corey went to church every Sunday. Corey loved his community. And most especially, Corey loved his family. Corey was an avid supporter of the former president and was so excited to be there last night with him in the community. I asked Corey's wife if it would be okay for me to share that we spoke. She said yes. She also asked that I share with all of you that Corey died a hero, that Corey dove on his family to protect them last night at this rally. Corey was the very best of us. May his memory be a blessing.
Yeah, I think that's very well said from the governor of Pennsylvania. That image was released by Corey's own daughters, who say that he dived on top of them in the midst of the shooting. It's very likely, at the very least, that scream, that horrifying, blood-curdling scream that we heard in that video was people realizing that Corey had been shot, as well as some other individuals who were injured, at this rally. President Biden spoken 3 times now since the attempted assassination, but perhaps his most high-profile comments came last night from an Oval Office address in which President Biden urged unity. Let's take a listen to what he had to say.
Here in America, everyone must be treated with dignity and respect, and hate must have no safe harbor. Here in America, we need to get out of our silos, where we only listen to those with whom we agree, where misinformation is rampant, where foreign actors fan the flames of our division to shape the outcomes consistent with their interests, not ours. Yesterday's shooting at Donald Trump's rally in Pennsylvania calls on all of us to take a step back, take stock of where we are, how we go forward from here. Thankfully, former Trump is not seriously injured. I spoke with him last night. I'm grateful. He's doing well, and Jill and I keep him and his family in our prayers.